Hello here, Sander Kraakman, Thoughts in Action. And today I'd like to talk with you about a little booklet that I have. And this is actually a summary of a bigger book that I also have. It's called The Biology of Belief. And this is the summary available on Amazon. And it is written by Dr. Bruce Lipton from the United States. He is actually a biologist. He is worldwide known for his research, and he is awarded a couple of times. And he is especially famous because he made a connection between the cell structure of our body and our mind. He discovered that there is a connection, and he proved that by his research. And he wrote all his discoveries in a book. It's called The Biology of Belief, a very interesting book. And I have got a summary as well here. It's only 35 pages. And what I'd like to do is read the conclusion of the book, which more or less sums up what it's about. The discovery of the close link between the cell and its environment reminds us that each being is part of a whole. Thus, since the environment determines the destiny of a cell, it also does so for you. Therefore, the more you live in harmony with what surrounds you, the healthier you will be. You are therefore not condemned to take medication to erase the defects in your genes. On the contrary, you can change your health by changing your state of mind. What should you remember from this summary? And the summary is, of course, of the booklet. It is not your genes that control your biology, but your environment, because it influences your cells. Each cell is a being in its own right and creates a coherent whole in your body with interdependent functionalities. To overload your defenses by a too stressful life, you exhaust your immune system. The negative messages, that you have unconsciously assimilated since birth can prevent your healing. By cultivating your inner harmony and spirituality, you participate in your health and that of the world around you. Now, why is this so important? It is so important because it proves actually that there is a connection between the mind and the body. And the mind actually influences the situation and health of the body. And that is exactly what we're teaching. So my advice is buy the whole book, or buy at least the summary of The Biology of Belief by Bruce Lipton. And this 35-page booklet has a lot of interesting knowledge and will guide you and will inspire you. So the shortcut edition, the summary of The Biology of Belief by Bruce Lipton. We'll see you next time.